So guys, this is what we're doing. Zach wears contacts, but he also wears glasses. And I'm big on glasses. I love glasses. So Zach's got a couple different pairs. I shoot a lot of corporate these days, a huge amount of corporate. Whenever I get a corporate job, I tell the person who hired me, make sure every human being at that establishment that I have to photograph, if they wear glasses, bring every pair they own. Because the glass is going to behave differently in each pair, and some people go cheap on their anti-glare, and some glass manufacturers, like the anti-glare is amazing. Zach happened to pay the big bucks on his glasses. They're really good. There's just a little bit of a yellow haze in his. My glasses, which were on the top of my head, have a little bit of a blue haze, but there's a yellow haze in his. So we're going to get the haze out. But he spent the big bucks, so it's not going to be that tough. The people with no anti-glare, it's really a problem. So you have to work your angles of your lights and everything. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it with his. So I just took this picture. Look at this picture. You could see over his right eye, there's some glare. There's like a little bit of yellow haze. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my eye line about where my camera is, which is right about here. And I'm going to watch, and with men, it's a lot easier for me because I don't have it light underneath, so I can get if the chin goes down, this light's usually going to go out, the reflection off this light's going to go out of frame, so it's going to be fine. If your chin goes down, yeah, the reflection's gone. If you get way down here, now that doesn't really work that well because that's too low, but what I can do is I can raise this light and I'm going to watch the bottom of this light. I'm going to tilt it a little bit more. I'm going to try and do this without jeopardizing my light at all. Now go jam the forehead out. There you go. Now it's gone. Let me see. Chin down slightly. There, right there. Tilt the head this way a little bit. Right there. Don't move. Hold that right there. And this glass is so good, it's really easy. Watch this. So I'll take another shot. We'll keep them right there. I see the haze just a little bit. Can you go chin down just a touch? Right there. That little bit makes a huge difference, and I want you to watch the difference between these two. There we go. Now there's no yellow haze in it. So, see that little haze? Now it's gone. Zach, you see that?
Yeah, big difference.
You're going to jeopardize your lighting just a bit, but it's up to you how far you want to take it. I think if I keep the lighting the other way, I could probably take the haze out and retouching. Because that yellow, it's just a little bit of haze. You could dehaze it a little bit or take the color out. You're going to be fine. So watch, guys. If I change the angle on my light, I can see that there's glare in this right in here. And as I move the angle, watch, it completely goes away when I go like that. That's an extreme. But now if he gets his chin out and down, and tilts the head a little bit this way. There we go. And I tilt this out. I can get that glare pretty much gone. And I like doing that. So I'm going to go like that. And let's just take another shot. That's amazing. Don't change a thing. That's fantastic. I'm just going to open up I'm going to go to an 80th of a second. Chin down slightly. There it is. Good. Really nice shot. Let me see it. Fantastic. Now, I got the glare out, changed my lighting a little bit. Are other people going to notice? Probably not. Do I notice? Yeah. Do I want to worry about that? It depends how much I want to do in Photoshop as I want to get it in camera. If you have a really tough pair of glasses, you can ask somebody to take them off. You can ask them to pop the lenses out if they're willing to try and do that. I don't like that because then if you have glasses, if you have the lenses in, there is a little bit of distortion. You want to see a little bit of reflect. You want to see that there's glass in there. I don't like it when people take the lenses out and it's just fake glasses. I'm not a fan of that. All right, so let's work backwards. Let's get the glare as bad as we can on these wonderful glasses that you want to shoot every day of the week. If there's still glare in there. I see it, right? Mm-hmm. So there it's pretty bad, right? What are we going to do? To get rid of it, let me just take a shot like that. That's very side lit. It's jam the forehead out a little bit, lose the misery. Tilt the head a little bit this way. There you go. Good. Good. Let's just see the glare compared to the last one. There is definitely glare there. There's a hot spot and it gets a little bit yellow. So let's Let's try and do a couple moves. Now let's say, the one thing is, he's got short hair. One of the tricks is to angle the glasses up a little bit. So if I did this with my glasses, that would get the glare out of the lenses, but that looks ridiculous. We can't do that. But somebody with longer hair, you can actually do it a little bit. You could do it a little bit. Like I could go like that, and I don't think it would be visible if I was looking straight ahead. Try this. Tilt your glasses up a little bit off the tops of your ears. Let me see them.
Stay is the issue.
They won't stay. That's too high. Yeah, it's just gonna, right there. That's good. It's just that's good. That's good. That's good. And I'm gonna do the tilt to get the bottom of this light down. Keep your chin up, because otherwise you're gonna have to go to there anyway. Chin down a little bit. Now he doesn't have to go chin down as far because he's got this angle going on the glasses, but to me, they look like they're too high off the ear. Let's see. Yeah, I think it looks too high off the ear. You could see the glare just starting to creep in. This is definitely something you have to try, guys. Obviously, he's got short hair. His glasses aren't, like my glasses will stay wherever I put them. They're very tight to my head, the way these are designed. So every pair of glasses is going to be different. Every reflection is going to be different. You're going to get different colors. You're going to get different things. You're going to have to work it out in the situation that you're in. But you need to know all the tricks. So here's definitely one. Getting the chin down is another one. Definitely angling the light further like this is going to help me do that as well. And this is my move. Tilt the head this way. Now chin down a little bit. Right there. Right there. That's good. Really nice. Really good. Let's try that. And this is my move to get that glare out. Chin down a little. You went chin up. There you go. Good. Perfect. And now that's the way I'm going to do it. All right? And there it is. The glare's out of the glasses. Guys, this is like one of the biggest questions I ever get. You know this. I mean, this is something people really want to get the glare out of the glasses. The key is you've got to play with the light. You got to play with the light you're working with. You've got to play with the glasses. You got to experiment. It's trial and error, and you figure it out. The key is to watch that glare as you move your lighting. Make sure your head gets on the same angle that your camera would be on, and move the lights. One of the things that's really beneficial for me is that I shoot continuous light. So I'm able to see exactly what's going on. If you shoot a strobe or a speed light, it's going to be very difficult to figure this one out. But you can do it. It just takes a lot more time.